All right, and welcome to lesson 5. And if you've been paying attention so far to the previous couple lessons, this should be pretty straightforward for you. It's just an extension of what we were doing before. So if we take a look here at this example here, 6 times 11 to the third, this is really 6 times 11 3 times, which means we have 3 powers of 6, so 6 to the third and 11 to the third. If you have a problem like this, no different. All right, 3a, we have 4 of them because that's what the fourth power means, which means we have 3 of the fourth power and a of the fourth power. And you can leave this 3 of the fourth power this way. You don't have to do 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 and get 81. You can just leave it 3 to the fourth, a to the fourth. That's what this notation means. Over here, what if we have an m to the third? Well, it's okay because we have m3s, m to the third s, m to the third s, m to the third s. So that's the 4 powers then. Well, so we have 3, 6, 9, 12 m's, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 s's. Now that's one way to do this. If you'd like to try it another way, I'm going to erase this, which is what they call the power rule. All you have to do there is just multiply 4 times 3, and then there should be a 1 there, or it's implied, I should say. So you just do 4 times 3 is 12, and 1 times 4 is 4. So if you want to do the shortcut here, again, you can write this as A3, B4 5 times, or you can just do A3 times 5 is 15, and 4 times 5 is 20. Either one of those works. So the pattern that you're looking for and that you'd want to put in your notes here is, write down which way you do this. Would you prefer to write it down the way that we had it before, which is this way, and then explain your patterns this way, or would you prefer to write it down this way and just talk about multiplication? So these are up to you to fill in the notes for. The powers, same thing. The difference with this, when we're dealing with a fraction, really no different. It just applies to both the top and the bottom. So in this case, I have 3 3s up top, and I have 3 5s on the bottom. This one I have 2 C's up top and 2 5s on the bottom. 4 5s up top and 5 N's on the bottom. And then here, 3 times 2 is 6, so I have C to the 6 over N to the 3. So again, the pattern you should notice is that we're just distributing this power over here. It's not really anything fancy. The errors that people make is they try to simplify too much. And then here's an important piece here. Why does this not include n equals 0? Because you can't divide by 0. So this is just a notation that they use just to indicate that we can't divide by 0. It's kind of a formality, but keep in mind you can't divide by 0. That's why they have to indicate that you can divide by 0. Listen, good luck, and let me know if you have any questions.